The Zika virus is transmitted by the Aedes aegypti mosquito. The Aedes aegypti is a vector. This means it's able to carry and transmit a virus to human beings. The Aedes aegypti is a vector for chikungunya, dengue fever, and now the Zika virus.
After being bitten by an infected mosquito, it takes about 3 to 12 days to come down with symptoms. The common symptoms include a fever of sudden onset, a rash, red eyes or without pus, that's a non-purulent conjunctivitis. You may have joint pains, muscle pains that are similar to other viral infections. What's kind of different about Zika has this red eye, the swelling of the legs. You may have some paralysis. One that is mentioned often is facial nerve palsy or facial nerve weakness. There may be complication, rarely, of Zika virus infection, which may require hospitalization. This is rare, however. There has been no reported deaths related to Zika virus to date. It's usually a very mild viral infection, so persons can actually stay at home with it using paracetamol. However, if you are having something that is different or severe, the suggestion is for you to seek medical attention. You can also transmit the Zika virus to others. So the recommendation is, once you believe you have an infection caused by a mosquito, you are to prevent yourself from being bitten. That means using mosquito repellents and mosquito nets and so on.
To get rid of the Zika-causing Aedes aegypti mosquito, we all have to be vigilant and proactive. And it starts right there in your home.
All mosquitoes will breed in still water, but Aedes aegypti specifically will breed in a containerized environment. So the public needs to understand it. So it's not in your gully, it's not in your rivers or the drains that are blocked, that needs to be cleaned. But as it relates to the control of this vector, you're looking for containers in and around your homes that are able to do so.
Outside the home, pay attention to garden implements that may retain water, such as a wheelbarrow or a flower pot and saucer. Also, check pet feeding containers, kiddies swimming pools, broken bottles, tin cans, buckets, and paint cans. Mosquitoes also breed in broken tree limbs, brick fences, uncovered drums and barrels, tires within the home, the draining trays of dish drainers, the bottom of the refrigerator, and unused toilet bowls. They also like cool, dark places such as closets, cupboards, and underneath beds. Remember,
this particular mosquito, the Aedes aegypti mosquito, she feeds inside and she rests inside.
While there are no known or suspected cases of the Zika virus on the island, the Aedes aegypti mosquito also spreads dengue fever and the chikungunya virus. So we have to ensure that our homes and our communities are not mosquito breeding sites.